on the ground, making sure that there is no looting that is happening. People need to stay away from that area until it is safe to return. We're also seeing a lot of significant bushfire activity around Lower Beachmont, of course Jerome, and to Thornton as well. So I'll get the Acting Commissioner to give everyone an update about what's happening across the state, but I just want to reassure the community that our emergency services personnel, our firefighters, our volunteers are doing absolutely everything that they can to ensure people are safe. Safety is the number one concern here. We want to make sure that...
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't have power. When I have power, I have police, I have court, I take all politicians in the court, in the prison, them to teach them. This to teach them talking, they not help them. To help them, to put them in the court, in the prison. Them to get education, how they can protect society. When I come here 2001, I find fire, I find trees in the street. Some people, they cry trees in the street. They against trees in the street. They have a petition, and I sign this petition to give them a sign in the restaurant. They never listen to cleaning the city to be clean. This is not politician. They like children. Na some children, they smart to them. I talk 5 years, I'm talking about this fire, to give politician to protect society in fire. They never listening, they never hearing. They never do anything, they never change. This is a responsibility, politician to protect society in fire. To give them education and to help them. If they need help, to help them. To single buildings they can be safe. To single society they can be safe. To single property they can be safe. Politicians, they no hearing, they no listen. I've been with a lot of politicians. I never see like this politician. I never see like this politician. They no listen. Them they listen. Them they see. They fall economic only. Them they run away to they protect economic and they not protect economic. And they not protect economic. Them they don't want to protect society. They don't care society. Them to care society, they care economic only. We need emergency all country. Politician to come Australia to protect society farmers in fire. This politician here, they're not going to protect them. We need emergency politician to come to protect society. Look how they destroy. They destroy building. They want to make a new city, to make a good city. And already they have a lot of gardens. Is like 1 million gardens. Gardens is big to society. We have Carlton Lagon Street. The small building to move to put new capital. Now they destroy building, and they're going to make another new city, and they destroy building, and they want to put another building. This is the politician. I've been in South Africa. They have Johannesburg is already it was a capital. They changed. They put Pretoria. Why they were not destroy Johannesburg to put another new city? Uganda, we have already Kampala. They changed. They put another new city. Already Kampala. There people they there to visit, and people they live there. Now here they destroy building, and this building to going to put another building. Them to looking another place to put new city. Them they destroy. People when they come, they want to looking all of the building. How grand they come to want to looking all of the building. They're not going looking anything. This is a politician to understand a little bit. They understand a little bit. Them when they want to gain esteem, they want to put me prison. I'm here. I'm not scared to talk to them. When they want to kill them, they send me people. They want to kill me. I don't care to kill me. Me, I don't want to kill them. When I have power, I put them in prison. SBS, this is a video to you to share to politician. ABC, this is video for you to share to politician. SBS, Channel 7, all on News 10, Channel 10, Channel 7, Channel 10, Channel 9, share to politician. We have to put them in a court, in a prison. Them to run away how they can protect society. Okay, thank you to listen. SBS News, I want you to share to politicians this video. When my granddad was read for me in a Bible, he read me, he said, they have eyes, they can see. They have hearing, they can hearing. How many years we fighting in the street to move to easy? Rubbish, they walk in nose to people. They walk in mouth. They walk in hearing. Mouth everywhere. They never listen. You think Bible he lie? Bible he talk true. He was a talk. This is politician. They have eyes. They know hearing. Now they hearing. They don't want to make some good to look good city. You show them make good city to look good, and they against you, they kill you. Okay, bye.